In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Relevance AI Agent to Slack in this 25 guide. Before you connect anything to Slack, the first thing you want to do is create or fully configure your AI assistant inside Relevance AI. Make sure the assistant is already set up with clear instructions, the right knowledge sources, any tools or integrations it needs, and the response behavior you want. This is important because Slack is only the delivery channel. If the assistant is not working properly before the connection, it will not suddenly work better once it's inside Slack. Take a moment to test it and confirm that it responds the way you expect. Once your assistant is ready, go into your AI platform settings. Look for a section labeled Settings, then open Integrations, Channels, or Deployments depending on how your workspace is organized. From there, choose Slack. This is the area where you'll start linking your Slack workspace to the assistant. Now click Connect Slack. You'll be prompted to sign into Slack. Choose the workspace you want to use, review the requested permissions, and then click Allow. After that, the assistant will be able to communicate with Slack. Next, decide where the assistant should be available. You can allow it to work in direct messages for private conversations, in specific channels if you want tighter control, or across the full workspace if your team needs broader access. Choose the option that best matches how your organization plans to use the assistant. After that, configure the trigger methods. In other words, decide how people will activate the assistant. You might use mention-based triggers, where someone tags the assistant in a channel, direct message triggers for one-on-one conversations, or automatic monitoring if you want the assistant to watch selected channels and respond when certain conditions are met. Then set your response preferences. Choose whether replies should appear in a thread, directly in the channel, as direct messages, or with the requesting user mentioned. In many cases, threaded replies are the cleanest option because they keep conversations organized and reduce channel clutter. If needed, connect knowledge sources to improve answer quality. This can include Google Drive, Notion, PDFs, internal documentation, databases, websites, or CRM systems. The better the information source, the more useful and relevant the assistant's responses will be. Next, test the connection in Slack by sending a message to the assistant and checking whether it responds correctly. Once that's working, you can optionally add workflow automations with tools like Google Sheets, Airtable, Jira, Asana, HubSpot, Salesforce, or external APIs so the assistant can take actions, not just answer questions. Finally, enable the Slack integration, monitor how people use it, refine the assistant's instructions when needed, and keep the knowledge sources updated regularly so response quality stays high.